Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello students, hope you are enjoying the video clips of our virtual teaching. About 4 weeks ago, we discussed a particular topic called the belt drive, which is one of the methods of transmitting power from one point to the other in a machine, followed by the chain drive, which is another method of power transmission. And in the last week topic, we discussed the hydraulic system, also another method of transmitting power. Today also, we want to discuss another method of power transmission from one point to the other. And the topic we are going to discuss today is pneumatic system. Pneumatic system. Pneumatic system and hydraulic system, they are similar to each other in the sense that they are both used for power transmission, as we use belt drive and chain drive also for power transmission. But the only difference between pneumatic system and hydraulic system is that while the pneumatic system uses compressed air or gas to transmit its own power from one point to the other, the hydraulic system uses liquid. The hydraulic system uses liquid, and the liquid can be either oil or water. That is the major difference between hydraulic system and pneumatic system. Now, to the definition of pneumatic system. From what we have said, that the pneumatic system uses air, compressed air or gas. So the definition of the pneumatic system now goes thus. Pneumatic system is the system that uses compressed air or gas to transmit mechanical power or energy for useful work to be done. Let's go to the simple working principle of pneumatic system. From the diagram, with the aid of this diagram we are looking at, we can see from the left side of the diagram the air entering the compressor. So the compressor, the pneumatic system always consists of 5 major components: the compressor, tube, valve, reservoir, and actuator. Listen again. The pneumatic system consists of 5 major components. The components are compressor, tube, which connects compressor with the reservoir, tube, reservoir or tank, valve, and actuator. Those are the 5 components of a simple pneumatic system. And when we look at the diagram, as I've said, from the left part of the diagram we can see the air being sucked in by the compressor. So the compressor takes in air from the atmosphere and passes this compressed air through the tube that connects the compressor with the tank. So it passes it to the tank, but the tank is not an ordinary tank. It is a high pressure tank. So it stores the air sent into it under very high pressure. So when the operating valve is now opened, so the tank passes the compressed air through it, and the valve now directs it to the cylinder of the actuator, as we can see. So it is the cylinder that contains the piston of the actuator. So, and it is that actuator that does the necessary work that we want to use the tool or the machine that contains the pneumatic system we want to use it for. So any work we want to use it for, so it is that actuator that does the work. So we can see the load put on the cylinder of the actuator for the actuator to lift up. So when the air goes into the actuator, so it uses that compressed air to lift up the load or whatever work it wants to do. So it uses that air to do it. So that is how a simple pneumatic system, that is how it works. And here is a short note for you, so to put down, so that you can have something to refer to whenever you want to read again how a simple pneumatic system works. So a simple pneumatic system, in the note, it's written there that a simple pneumatic system mostly relies on a constant supply of compressed air to make it work. This is provided by an air compressor. The compressor sucks in air from the atmosphere and directs the compressed air through tube to the tank or reservoir, which stores under pressure and ready to deliver it as soon as the operating valve is opened. The actuator, which is made up of a cylinder and a piston that goes up or down the cylinder barrel as air enters it. It is this actuator that does the necessary work. So that is a short note for you to jot down on the working principle of a pneumatic system. Now the applications of pneumatic system. There are a lot of tools, devices, machines and some other things that use pneumatic system as their major application, but a few of them are just written here. So we have various applications of pneumatic system. Among them are pneumatic spanners, automatic doors, paint sprayers, pavement breakers, that is also known as jackhammers, then dentist tools, rock drills, riveter and forging presses. So those are some machines and tools that use pneumatic system as the major operating system. So and it is at this point that we are going to call it a day today. So by the next lesson, so we are going to continue with the discussion on pneumatic system. Thanks.